Hello and welcome to Gaslands Racing. Today we got an exciting race between ZANDER, who's driving the Nerf, versus Snapper, who's driving the Pigtails. But first, let's take a look at the track. They're gonna start here on the Suicide into this two-lane straightaway, giving them a nice speed boost around corner number 1, where our Gaslands TV camera is. And they're gonna go through gate number 1. Every gate they pass through is gonna give them a gate point. There are 4 gates in total, including the finish line. And they're gonna come around the first bend here, where we got some fans and some spectators. And they're gonna come into the construction site. This area is really bad. After gate number 2, there's a helicopter that crashed last season, and it broke the road. We didn't have time to fix it, so they're gonna have to go through that. Into curve number 3 over here, where we got the BFG and Ember Prime, our flame-throwing monster truck. And if they've come this far, they're gonna pass gate number 3, come down this really long and steep straightaway around curve number 4 into another steep downhill. This is 2-lane downhill, and going into the finish line, where there's a little jump at the end here. And we got our camera crew, Gaslands TV, ready to capture all of the exciting finish. And they're gonna have to make sure not to, hit these cars over here with the drills and stuff. It's a really bad, hazardous finish line. But there's a pipe here, the Pipe Dream. And if they go through that, they win a ticket to Mars, which they can give to anybody they want, or for themselves. Get off this crappy rock. I'm gonna come down here and get ready to put myself in the bunker of protection, because there's gonna be some fire and some explosions and some dangerous stuff. Let's take a look at the racers. We got ZANDER from USA. He's driving the Nerf. He likes speed and he dislikes rules. There aren't many rules here at Gaslands, so he's gonna be a happy camper. Next up, we got Snapper from US of A. He's driving the Pigtails, because I guess he's got those 2 miniguns on the side there. He likes the smell of burning rubber, and he dislikes answering my questions. But that's the only way we'll get to know you guys. Anyways, they're at the bottom here of the Suicide, getting ready, doing some dyno tests, going into the elevator up to the Suicide. And they're gonna start their first race. Let's see how it's going to go. Who do you go for, Pigtails or Nerf? Place your bets, and they're off side by side. Pigtails is shooting, oh no, down the construction site, and oh, he gets into the tunnel. Nerf is in the tunnel on his first race versus Pigtails. Whew. Did he, let's take a look at a replay here. Just instant stop into the tunnel. I think our helicopter is gonna have to take a look, make sure that he's fully into the tunnel. And he is, giving him that ticket. Congratulations, Zanders. What a finish. Let's take a look at where Pigtail is. Oh, yeah, he went down the construction. Oh, he's getting shot at by the track. But he's okay. We're going to do a race number 2 here. Pigtail in front this time. Hopefully he gets over the construction site. He doesn't. Oh, but did he stop Zander? And he stopped Zander as well. Oh man, that construction site is really bad for Pigtails. But we're gonna go for another race here. Oh, side by side, but Nerf takes the front. And they both crash at the construction site. Oh man, I think Pigtails is never, ever going to pass that construction site. He is just, that is his kryptonite. Let's see if Nerf can make it. He does. Pigtail doesn't, obviously. And makes it to the finish line for another win for Nerf. Let's go for some time trials, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see who's the fastest on the track alone. And we're only going to do 1 run this time, because we've already got some time for these cars in previous videos. We're going to go with Nerf here. First run, only run. Let's see if he could beat his previous times. 6.43. I'm not sure if that beat it, but he's got himself a time there. And we're going to go with Pigtails. Hopefully over the construction site. Come on, man, you can do it. He did it, and he's going really fast too. And he celebrates with a backwards flip right in front of the finish line. 5.4 seconds. That is a nice time. Look at this little flip at the end he does. He's like, woohoo! I got a time! And I passed the construction site. I'm sure that's what he was thinking. Oh, helicopter is throwing some missiles and gets rid of his car. Let's tally up the stats for today's race. Weighing in at 31 grams, his best time was 6:43. He got 12 gate points, he won 2 of the races, and he got himself a ticket to Mars. Congrats, Xander, on today. Next up we got Pigtails, weighing also at 31 grams. His best time was 5.4. He got 8 gate points and 0 wins and 0 ticket to rides. Not a ticket to rides? What the? Not a great day for Pigtails. Guys, all the cars were sent in by Gaslands TV racing fans, and if you want to send in your car, let us know in the comments or join us on the Facebook group Gaslands TV. We're also on Instagram and all those other things. I started some TikTok stuff, so go find us there. Just put Gaslands TV, and if you play Gaslands, you're looking for dice, some templates, maybe some gates, engines with skulls on them, rams, guns, whatever you're looking for to modify your car, you can check out our Etsy page. We've got a bunch of stuff there for sale, and it helps out the channel. It helps out the guy that's printing them, and all proceeds goes to designers and keeping this channel alive and some entertainment for you guys. So if you're enjoying this, like the video, subscribe, and check out our Etsy page. Thank you so much for your support so far. You've been awesome, and I hope to see you on the other side. Again, thanks a lot, and enjoy the rest of the show. See you next time.